Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. Today I am going to tell you what are those top 3 places where you can get certified for Big Data or Spark. So without making any delay, let's start. So Big Data. So Big Data is nothing but very large amount of data. You guys might be knowing in past few years, so data is increasing exponentially. Like we have never imagined the data will become such an important thing in the future. So what is this big data? Let's try to understand the basic of big data. So what is this big data? So big data has mainly 4 characteristics or 4 V's we can say. So these 4 V's are nothing but volume. Volume means it's a large amount of data. Variety means it's a different type of data. It might be in any format like video, audio, text, any kind of data it can be. Velocity, this data might get generated with a rapid speed. So that is why the third characteristic is velocity, and the last one is veracity. Veracity means the quality of data. The data can be a raw format data where we need to do a lot of analysis and bring out some information out of it, or it can be already processed data. It can be any kind of data. So veracity means quality of data. So when it comes to certifications, according to me, there are top 3 certifications provider in the world when it comes to big data. So the third one is Databricks. So you can become Databricks certified developer in Apache Spark. So this is the third of those 3 certification providers. Second one is Cloudera. So as we know, Cloudera is also a very big player in the market and it has a lot of involvement when we talk about big data. And the first one is Hortonworks. So here there is one twist for you guys. So if you go to Google and if you try to find out this Hortonworks, you will not able to find this Hortonworks anywhere. Like I will show you now. So here you can see the URL. This is nothing but the hortonworks.com. So when you try to redirect on this URL or when you try to open this website, it will automatically get directed to Cloudera. So why it is happening like that? Let us see. See, it has automatically redirected to Cloudera. So why it is happening like that? Actually, Cloudera has already taken over the Hortonworks company. Means Hortonworks has been taken over by Cloudera. So all the certifications which were provided by Hortonworks are now provided by Cloudera, because Hortonworks is coming under Cloudera now. So let us try to understand the certifications in Databricks first of all. So if you land on this website academy.databricks.com/category/certifications, you will be able to find here all the certifications provided by Databricks. And the first certification which they are providing is Databricks Certified Associate Developer for Apache Spark 3.0, and the cost of the exam is $200 or $200 US. So these are all the certifications provided by Databricks. So let me show you the details related to this certification. We will not deep dive in all these certification. We will only see any one of them and we will try to understand the details of that certification. So the first one is Databricks Certified Associate Developer for Apache Spark 3.0. Okay, so here you will be able to find all the important details related to that certification. So here there are some prerequisites are given. So these prerequisites, I will suggest you should read all these prerequisites in very much detail and very much carefully. And here they are also giving you the platform for preparation of the exam. You can visit all these URLs and you can just try to prepare for the exam. So after you get prepared well for the exam, you can just scroll down here and you can just click on the register button. So before that, there are some exam details are given or provided by Databricks. So those exam details are very much important. Like this exam will contain the 60 multiple choice questions and you will be having 120 minutes. So like it will be 2 hours of exam, and in those 2 hours you need to cover 60 multiple choice questions, and the minimum passing score for this exam is 70%. So you need to answer correctly 42 questions out of 60 questions. So these are all the important details related to this exam. So we will not deep dive in all the certification exams. Let us jump on to certifications provided by Cloudera. So once you jump on this URL cloudera.com/about/training/certifications, so on this page you will find two types of certifications. So the first one is Cloudera Certified Professional CCP, and the other one is Cloudera Certified Associate CCA. So there are two different levels of certification. So let me tell you, associate level will be the below one and the professional level will be the above one. Means it will be one step above as compared to associate. Here also we will not deep dive into all the certification. I will be explaining you any one of the certifications. So let us explore the last one. So the last one was CCA HDP Administrator exam. So what is this HDP stands for? I will show you what is this HDP. You will get more clarity related to Hortonworks and Cloudera here. So once you land on this page, here you will understand the meaning of HDP. HDP is nothing but Hortonworks Data Platform. Now you will understand that Hortonworks has become a part of Cloudera. So let's jump back to our previous page. So here also you will be able to find all the important details related to this certification. So in the number of questions you will be asked like 8 to 10 questions. Those will be kind of performance based or practical questions they will ask you, like out of experience you will get that knowledge. And after that, the time limit they have given here is 120 minutes. It is again 2 hours, and the passing score is 70%. And the language in which this exam is conducted is English, and the price of this exam is $295. So these are all the important details related to certifications in Big Data or Spark. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this knowledge with all the other teammates or all your friends. So thanks a lot once again.